Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the capitals of the countries which are mostly asking in test papers. Let's get started. Our first question is, what is the capital of Pakistan? Here the correct answer is Islamabad. Question number 2 is, what is the capital of India? Answer is New Delhi. Question number 3 is, what is the capital of Iran? Here the correct answer is Tehran. Question number 4 is, what is the capital of China? The answer is Beijing. Question number 5 is, what is the capital of Japan? The answer is Tokyo. Question number 6 is, what is the capital of Turkey? Correct answer is Ankara. Question number 7 is, what is the capital of Australia? The answer is Canberra. Question number 8 is, what is the capital of Indonesia? Here the answer is Jakarta. Question number 9 is, what is the capital of Malaysia? The correct answer is Kuala Lumpur. Question number 10 is, what is the capital of Philippines? The answer is Manila. Question number 11 is, what is the capital of Canada? The answer is Ottawa. Question number 12 is, what is the capital of Russia? Here the answer is Moscow. Question number 13 is, what is the capital of Germany? The correct answer is Berlin. Question number 14 is, what is the capital of France? Correct answer is Paris. Question number 15 is, what is the capital of Italy? The answer is Rome. Question number 16 is, what is the capital of Switzerland? The correct answer is Bern. Question number 17 is, what is the capital of Finland? The answer is Helsinki. Question number 18 is, what is the capital of America? The correct answer is Washington, D.C. Question number 19 is, what is the capital of England? Here the answer is London. Question number 20, what is the capital of New Zealand? The correct answer is Wellington. Question number 21 is, what is the capital of Afghanistan? The correct answer is Kabul. What is the capital of Bangladesh? The correct answer is Dhaka. Question number 23 is what is the capital of Nepal? The correct answer is Kathmandu. Question number 24 is what is the capital of Bhutan? Here the correct answer is Thimphu. Question number 25 is what is the capital of Maldives? The correct answer is Mali or Mer, I think. Question number 26 is what is the capital of Israel? The correct answer is Jerusalem. Question number 27 is what is the capital of Sudan? Correct answer is Khartoum. Question number 28 is what is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Answer is Riyadh. Question number 29 is what is the capital of Oman? Answer is Muscat. Question number 30 is what is the capital of Iraq? The answer is Baghdad. Question number 31 is what is the capital of Syria? Here the answer is Damascus. Question number 32 is what is the capital of Palestine? The correct answer is Jerusalem. Question number 33 is what is the capital of Yemen? The one answer is Sana'a. Question number 34, what is the capital of Morocco? The answer is Rabat. Question number 35 is what is the capital of Mexico? The answer is Mexico City. Question number 36 is what is the capital of Poland? The correct answer is Warsaw. Question number 37 is what is the capital of United Arab Emirates? The answer is Abu Dhabi. Question number 38 is what is the capital of Qatar? The answer is Doha. Question number 39 is what is the capital of Nigeria? The answer is Abuja. Question number 40 is what is the capital of Netherlands? Here the answer is Amsterdam. Question number 41 is what is the capital of North Korea? The answer is Pyongyang. Question number 42 is what is the capital of South Korea? The answer is Seoul. Question number 43 is what is the capital of Somalia? The correct answer is Mogadishu. Question number 44 is what is the capital of West Indies? The answer is Chaguaramas. Question number 45 is what is the capital of Tajikistan? The answer is Dushanbe. Question number 46 is what is the capital of Thailand? The answer is Bangkok. Question number 47 is what is the capital of Taiwan? Here the correct answer is Taipei City. Question number 48 is what is the capital of Turkmenistan? Here the correct answer is Ashgabat. Question number 49 is what is the capital of Uzbekistan? Here the answer is Tashkent. Question number 50 is what is the capital of Sri Lanka? The answer is Colombo. Question number 51 is what is the capital of Zimbabwe? Here the correct answer is Harare. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.